Hello and welcome to today's topic, how to import CFIA regulated goods. My name is Adriana Zamora and I'm joined here with our CFIA expert, Gloria Tahar.
So those acts allow them to regulate seeds, feeds, fertilizers, animals, meat and meat products from animals, fresh fruits and vegetables, fish and shellfish, prepared foods and ingredients. So the Safe Foods for Canadians Act consolidates 4 food-related statutes. So prior to this act coming into force, you had to read 4 different sets of acts and regulations in order to know what you needed to import food. And the CFIA also had to know all of those acts and regulations and apply them correctly.
So like something porous, for example, would actually hold germs and whatnot,
Exactly.
whereas a steel counter might be easily cleaned.
Exactly, but the SFCR, the regulations, allow flexibility for the importers by saying an outcome-based approach, by saying it's a product that must be able to be sterilized, for example, instead of saying it must be made of a certain type of material.
Right.
Yeah, the licensing requirement is pretty broad. You need a license if you are importing food, manufacturing, treating, processing, preserving, grading, packaging, labeling food that will be exported or moved between provinces, if you're slaughtering a food animal, storing or handling an imported meat product for inspection by CFIA, or you require export certification. So Environment Canada is connected based on the fact that Environment Canada is actually the party that is responsible for enforcing CITES. However, many CITES commodities are also regulated by the CFIA because CITES deals with animals and plants. So a phytosanitary certificate is a document that's issued by the Plant Protection Organization of the exporting country. They have worked with the CFIA to assess plant and plant products doing a risk assessment to confirm whether or not those products need additional certifications and what standards have to be met in order to ensure that pests don't enter Canada. So firstly, AIR stands for the Automated Import Reference System, and it's an online searchable database of CFIA import requirements. Another key factor is having after-hours availability. It may not sound like fun getting a phone call at 2 a.m., but the border's open 24 hours and a lot of transportation companies move 24 hours as well. So if something's arrived at the border in the middle of the night and there's a problem with the entry at time of exam or for other reasons, it can be really valuable to be able to get a hold of somebody that can help us solve the problem.
Also, if you have any questions now or in the future and you'd like Gloria to get back to you, we're only a call away, so please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for joining us.